peppered.
Yeah. Yeah.
Somebody shot it with a shotgun. Supposedly those lines was live until Elizabeth called the other day.
Yeah, and they disconnected them. Or they're supposed to be disconnected. I wouldn't trust it yet.
They was hanging there like this live?
Yeah, he said it's still live going to the building. I said,
the electric company said that.
Yeah, I said, well, I
We
said,
got to find out.
I said, woo!
All the carpet and insulation that was underneath of it. All of that was in those rooms. That's what some of that stuff looked like. This room's been painted before or something. Not very good. Got a little bit of weed eating done. Got the water meter stake in. They're gonna come put our water meter in soon. Looking good up through there. Shout out Nolan. Good work, good work. Got most of this side done too. Still got some real thick up there that we might not be able to weed eat, but we'll see. There's a lot of trees and stuff growing up in there. Looking good though. check out this water meter they put in. Boy, they made a mess, didn't they? I wonder if they plan on coming back and fixing that. Right here? It's probably not anything in it yet. It might just... No, it's in there. It is in there.
Yeah, I doubt they come back and fix it for some reason.
Well, if they don't, we will smooth it out with something. Bryce and Nolan whooping the vines over there. Got all our trees cleared out that we want cleared out. Now that all that's left is cedars and pines here. Just traded for this thing right here. It's a 2001 4.3 two-wheel drive automatic. I traded my 5.3 LS swap truck for this and some cash. Not the worst truck I've ever seen. Hopefully we can clean this thing up and resell it. That's a tight spot. bring it straight back. Oh. Oh no! Bro, you good? Are you okay? Yeah, I'm good. Are you good? I thought I broke your ankle. Got a lot moved, still got a ton more to go. Got a bunch of doors and dashes and seats and consoles over here. Wiring harnesses and everything. This isn't even half the doors on the trailer here. That's not even half the wheels and tires. We got so much more to go, but we're getting there. Still got the Benzer hiding over there. Waiting for last. Maybe. We got the lights turned on today, a couple of temporary ones in there until we can figure out what kind of lighting we're gonna have in here. But we have lights, we have a breaker box. We've got one plug up there for now. And we got an outside light. And that is it. But we're supposed to be getting water this week. Also, here's this new truck. 2001 4.3 automatic, clean title, 198,000 miles, AC works. Got the Mercedes moved in here. The Firebird Formula is moved in here. And my first car, the Camaro, is moved in here. We're probably gonna move these outside so we'll have more room. Put a car cover over them or something like that. Y'all already know the deal on the Mercedes. And Bryce can't keep oil in this thing.
Me and Bryce are about to assemble shelves. Got the shelves done.
Well, we've got most things out of here now. All the vehicles driving this, except the Benzer. Still got to get it out. A couple of little odd and end things. Still got to take the shelves down. Some seats over there, some doors over there. Bunch of accessories still left to take, but compared to what we had, I'd say we're like 90% done. Yeah, we've only got like 2 more loads left to go.
Good load, and you'd have everything.
Yeah.
The bins are.
Call 811 before you dig. They came out, marked our water lines, marked the telephone lines. That way we can run a new line from our meter up to the edge of the building right there, so that we've got a water spigot, and then we can start burning this big old pile of trash that we cut out from over here. Look how cleared out that is now. Like before, that was a jungle. You couldn't even hardly see through it.